Yo guys, welcome back. I'm bike riding. There's the bridge. Yeah, since it's what is it, the 23rd, right? Yeah, that means days are gonna start being shorter now. We're gonna have shorter days, so that's pretty nice. Well, but I don't know, I hate when it gets dark at like 5 p.m. I used to love it actually, believe it or not, but now it's kind of depressing. But I don't know, but when it's sunny for too long, I don't like that either. I don't know. Okay. Man, I can't believe it's like June is almost over. Holy crap. This year is flying by extremely fast, even faster than last year. That's sad. It's actually really sad. Yeah. And I'm turning like 25 this year, which is insane. I can't believe it. That's crazy. Now, I believe it's gonna rain today. I don't know. It might. It kind of rained a bit, but then it kind of stopped. But then as I was bike riding, there was a few drizzles. Could be possible it'll start pouring. I think this whole week is actually possibly gonna rain. Oh, yeah, I can't believe it'll be like July soon.